finally getting her out of the winter storage here, the winter funk. Leather Pros sorted. Really happy with those. Version 4, these are looking incredible. They've done a really, really good job. Snaps are better. The stitching's thicker. I had the V2s on this bike, and this is just night and day. Incredible upgrade. You know, added a few more P16, some power plant parts, bunking crash bar / highway pegs there. Had the Arlen Ness extender in there. These Avon grips, man, I'm impressed with those. They kind of, you know, they widen a little bit in the middle. I like that for grip. LePera seat, I'd put that on last year. I think the rest of it's, those are sort of the additions I did over the winter. I did have to also replace starter. That's about it. I have ordered a Red Thunder as well. I will have a new pipe coming. This Sawicki is actually for an Evo Dyna, and it's just too low now that I have the geometry set up stock, so 12.5's on the back, 2-inch over because this FXRS, so the 2-inch over up front. But now, as you can see, my clearance is tight, so I'd like to get that. The Red Thunder comes up a bit more, and hopefully I'll be okay with where the bags are. Leather Pros, they've added that too, so a little bit of protection there I think will be good. But yeah, just, you know, it's been busy past couple months. I do a lot of filming for snowboarding, obviously, so I haven't been on this channel as much, but now we're shifting into spring and summer, and I'm stoked, man. Finally get this thing out. Heading out with my buddy Dustin today. Gonna test this new camera too, GoPro 360, and yeah, get a rip in. I definitely have a bunch of oil in the crankcase right now. It's run it a couple times in here, and I can just see the oil's not moving through. So I got to get the RPMs up, get this thing moving, and she should be good. So that's kind of the plan today. Dustin's been out on his Evo Dyna a couple times now, but yeah, let's keep putting miles on this beauty. Just gonna wait around a little bit here. Dustin's on his way, and then we'll head out.
got some crazy fucking decel pop. You gotta check your gaskets in case you have an exhaust leak, or you might be running pretty rich.
That's what I'm thinking. It's the McCuney.
I think you're running pretty fucking rich, because if you're using as much gas as you say, and you're decel popping like that, like that's insane. Like pulling in here, it was just like gunshots. It was like, holy shit.
Oh, especially when we were in town.
Oh yeah, coming down the hills, yeah.
Okay, no, I think we're...
It's warm. It's not hot. It's warm.
Yeah, I think we're okay.
Yeah.
Just getting back into Nelson now. Oil seems to be circulating proper on the FXR here. I'm getting this McCuney dialed in. It's taken me a little while. I've been S&S and CV up to this point. These are simple, but each little micro adjustment does make a big difference on these. So I'm getting used to it, and I'm sure Dustin's happier riding behind me without that thing popping in his face. We're gonna gas up, head back to my garage. Just a bit of riding footage on this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.